Next, we are going to test the thermal insulation effect of higher TF7 water heater. The capacity, inlet water temperature, and the ambient temperature of the two water heaters are same.
And the water temperature in both products is 75 degrees Celsius.
We turn off both products at the same time. Now the timer starts. We'll come back to see the result 24 hours later.
Well, time has passed.
We measured the temperature with the temperature recorder. The water temperature of higher TF7 left tank is 52.7 degrees Celsius. Right tank is 52.9 degrees Celsius. And the competitive water heater right tank is 49.8 degrees Celsius. Left tank is 47.2 degrees Celsius. So higher TF7 performs better in thermal insulation effect.
I have a question. Is the water in both products still hot after 48 hours power cut?
Okay, let's continue this experiment for another 24 hours.